November the 11th, open day. Packing down the back. I just wanted to run you through. We have been absolutely caned. Hot delivery, static systems, Surf Coast guys are in. Our full range of Mormon, Eddie, fittings. It's been remarkable. Hot units, interceptors. We've had Nilfeskin and Ross. Then we got through, must have been nearly 90 sausages, which was absolutely outstanding. V4, Onyx systems, Treons, poles, all the accessories to go with. Had the interceptor out the front. The Solar Tech has done quite a few thousand RPM, which has been absolutely outstanding. The Thermopure V4 has been running today. The soft wash gear has had an absolute workout. 12 volt, petrol powered. The Onyx Systems Quattro and Treon. We've had Mosmatic. All the demonstrations and Rowan. It's come all the way from Brizzy. Undercar cleaners, different lances, surface cleaners. It's been fantastic, and just like to thank everyone for coming. And remember to check out our website, bluetongueindustries.com.au.